back to my balcony garden, where I share another amazing episode about my plants. Here it is the next day, you guys. I just had to come back out here and look at what's going on. It's a lot going on in this big planter here with these flower seeds. Look at that one with 4 leaves on it. Wonder what kind of flower that's going to be. Well, garden friends, hope you guys will share if you know what they are. These flowers growing. I can't wait. Garden friends, it looks like a whole bunch of stuff is going on up in this one. Look at those seeds. Well, they're flower seeds, but look at the sprouts that are growing up. See all the little baby plants, the baby sprouts. Look at that, look at that. This container is the repurposed water jug rather. And I shared a garden update with you guys the other day, and this is that planter that I told you had that one little sprout, and now look, it's a whole bunch of them today. And look at this one. Looks like a dark color. I can't wait to see what these flowers are gonna look like. Let me share this here. See that thing? That little leaf has a big long root growing on it. Right there. Well, we're going to see in a few days what's going to be going on with this. We're getting some sunshine. Maybe it like that. Alright. Just sharing a combo garden update video.